Hi everyone, in today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you and telling you about the quick analysis tool, which I'm sure most of you don't know about in Microsoft Word Excel. So if you go now and highlight a table, for example here in Microsoft Word Excel, you can see at the bottom an icon pops up here. If I put my mouse cursor on it, it says quick analysis. If I should simply click on this, you can see that you have different options here, from formatting all the way to spark lines. So for example, if I go to totals, for example, I can quickly get the sum of a particular table on Microsoft Excel. And you can see I can do the sum here for the columns, or I can do the sum for the rows. And you have other different options for average, for counts, the amount of information you have, for the total amount of percentage of information you have on the document. You can also go to charts and create a particular kind of chart or a bar chart depending on what you want. Or you can also go to formatting and add some data bar or some color scale to your data, or some icons, for example. So you can see you have all these powerful tools to use quickly at your disposal without having the need to go at the top of the page and finding or looking for some of these basic needed tools to work on your Microsoft Word Excel. Alright guys, that's it for today's quick and easy tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, please give this video a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.